Welcome to JSR Maths Academy. Now we are going to discuss about the second problem of exercise 2 from the class 8 of linear equations into one variable. Let us observe this question. The difference between the two numbers is 8. The difference between the two numbers is 8. And if 2 is added to the bigger number, the results will be the 3 times of smaller number. Find the numbers. Okay. So let us observe this question. We have given the two numbers. Okay, let's say I'm supposing that first number and second number, and we also know the difference between them. Difference between them is 8. Here, if they mention the difference between them is 8, which is nothing but in that one number it will be smaller than the other. It means if I assume that smaller number as a x, okay, I'm going to assume that let smaller number be as a x. Then, as I mentioned, the difference between them is 8. Then bigger number becomes x plus 8. Bigger number becomes x plus 8. And what else we know? We have given that if we add 2 to the bigger number, it means bigger number plus 2. That gives you 3 times of smaller number. 3 times of smaller number. So, what is our bigger number that we got here as a x plus 8? We assumed it as a bigger number as an x plus 8. But this, if I add 2, what we get? We get 3 times of smaller number as x. That means x plus 2 plus, x plus 8 plus 2. That gives you x plus 10, which is equals to the 3x. Now, we got a linear equation in one variable in which we have a variable on the both the sides. So we need to transpose this variable terms on to the one hand of that equation. So on LHS we have x. This bias to x, if I transpose to other hand of equation, becomes negative. So we can write this equation as an x is equals to 3x minus x, which is of 2x. 2x is equals to 10. From this, x is equals to 10 by 2, which is of 5. From this, what we got? We got a smaller number. Therefore, smaller number is what? Smaller number x is equals to 5, and bigger number x plus 8, that is equal to 5 plus 8, which is of 13. Okay, so these two are our required numbers.